Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do Brainrot Battle in Plant versus Brainrot game of Roblox. Okay, you will see the battle menu right here, and it will come every 15 minutes. And when it says ready, you can click on the battle. Okay, then you can select battle to start the battle. And these are the rewards that you will get from the battle. If you can win, you can get all the items. Okay, and now the Brainrot invasion is coming, and you can try your best to win the battle. Make sure that you have good plant on your garden and just beat the brain rot like this. Okay, I have all these plants and I hope it can help me win and get rewards. Okay, just beat the brain rot. Oh my god, I failed. Even though I failed, I still got cash as my reward, but I didn't get the sunflower seed. And okay guys, that's how we can join the brain rot battle in Plant versus brain rot. And I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.